So I got this when I was in Five and Below. I kind of opened it, but it was, you see the box, silicone for Apple Watch and AirPods. These are all the features, and it contains this. Charger not included. Not surprised. Let's see how the packaging is. I could have done a better job. Let's put this away so I can keep it for safety. Can't always present the favorite game that I used to play as a child. Alright. And here it is. It's like silicone, so single take our cable. We go like this, yeah. Okay. And find a part that fits. And goes like that. Okay. Let's put it up here. Let's put a USB in. Alright, unplug that. And you always should make sure your watch is charged, but does it work? Huh? Oh, that works. You got yourself a nice hand. And if you have AirPods, lightning cable, just above right here. And that is all. So thanks for watching this quick unboxing and sort of review of this. I can't say it's made out of good quality, but it's actually pretty good. You can get this at like a few bucks at Five and Below. I highly recommend it if you have these kinds of AirPods or the other AirPods. It would work no matter what, I guess. I'm not sure about that, but I think it works for these types. But it works for every kind of Apple Watch you got. So thanks. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.